What is an activity? An activity is work done to resolve the technical uncertainty. Activities could be researching, developing, testing, or analyzing the results. Often multiple iterations of these activities might be needed to resolve an uncertainty. Activity type: developing. Duration: May 2019 to August 2019. Description: we designed new models of the spoiler, which were then constructed by the team of engineers. We used carbon fiber to build the spoiler in order to save weight. We built our spoiler using our standard in-house process. Activity type: testing. Duration: August 2019 to September 2019. Description: we initially tested the safety considerations of the new spoiler, which involved testing properties, such as material strength, and whether it was likely to break given the force applied to it. After testing the practical considerations, we moved on to performance testing. This was done in a wind tunnel, to understand the fluid dynamics of the new spoiler. Activity type analysis. Duration: September 2019. Description: the results from the previous round of testing in the wind tunnel were analyzed, and it was found that the changes produce an 11% increase in downforce under those conditions. Activity type: developing. Duration: September 2019 to November 2019. Description: we built the full prototype version of the spoiler, constructed by the team of engineers. Activity type: testing. Duration: November 2019 to December 2019. Description: the full prototype spoiler was tested for safety requirements. Then it was installed on the car, and tested using a variety of quantitative and qualitative analysis techniques. Activity type analysis. Duration: December 2019 to January 2020. Description: it was found that the downforce improvements were roughly 6% in practice. This came with a 3% decrease in fuel efficiency, which has motivated a further R&D project to increase the engine's fuel efficiency. Activity type conclusion. Duration: January 2020. Description: the R&D project resolved the uncertainty around whether this proposed spoiler changes would improve the car's downforce. It was found that the downforce improved by 6%, but with drawbacks in fuel efficiency.